Hello students, today we are going to revise chapter 3rd. Topic is relative atomic mass. What is relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is the average mass of the atom of an element as compared to 1/12 the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Thus we can say relative atomic mass, it is equal to average mass of one atom of element upon 1/12 the mass of the one atom of C12. Next is the atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass unit? In the beginning of the 20th century, oxygen atom was chosen as standard because oxygen combines with most of the elements found in nature. The mass of an atom of oxygen found in nature was taken to be 16th and 1/16th. The mass of the atom of oxygen was taken as atomic mass unit, that is known as AMU. Then IUPAC adopted unified atomic mass unit or Dalton as the unit of atomic mass. Carbon 12 isotope of carbon has been chosen as a reference and its atom is assigned a mass of exactly 12 U. So we can say one atomic mass unit is equal to mass of C12 atom upon 12. Next is the molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass, it is a mass of a substance, one molecule of the substance relative to 1/12 mass of the atom of carbon 12. How can we calculate the molecular mass of water? Four examples are given here. First of all, we will discuss water. How can we find out the molecular mass of water? Suppose two number of atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen plus number of atoms of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So here we know, here in water two number of atoms of hydrogen are given here and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus atomic number of atoms of oxygen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So its molecular mass is 18U. By this method we can find out the molecular mass of other substances and compounds. So students, that's it for now. We will revise left chapter in next video.